Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to unbox these brand new earphones. These are the i9 5.0. As you can see, they have a great package. We have here some specification in the back. These are capable of connection with Android and iOS. Let's go ahead now and try to take the cap off. It's very hard, as you can see. I don't know why they decided to make a vacuum inside these earphones. Finally now we can see what we have here. Let's put this one away for a second and see what we got underneath. We have the charging cable. As you can see, this charging cable is iOS cable, and you can charge them anytime. Most of the times these earphones comes with micro USB cable, but this time we have some iOS included. They look honestly pretty much like earpods from Apple, and they don't have a clip here to close the cap or magnetic. They have a hinge, like a type of hinge here, that pushes the cap away. And these one are like a bit upgraded. They have a touch here. You can, just by touching it, you power them on. Now let's go ahead and grab a phone. Let's see how easy it is to find these in my Bluetooth in my phone here. We can see now i11 here. Press pair, pair again, and now it says connected. So let's go ahead now and play a song, and I'm going to tell you my impression about the i11 earphones. In case you don't know, we have this song that we test all of our earphones. So let's go ahead and play this song. I'm going to tell you my impression. So the first thing that I noticed in these earphones, they fit really good, not so tight, and probably others will hear my song or what I'm hearing. So let's go ahead, press play. So the sound is very clear, loud and clear, very good sound. The bass is alright, and these i11 earphones doesn't have that high pitch or high noise that other had, and it doesn't hurt your ear, and that's a really good thing. And what is one positive thing about these earphones is the touch button. So basically I can just press it, it will pause the video, if I double tap it, it will change the song, but now I'm playing in YouTube. As you can see, it doesn't change anything. And with the left one, if you double tap it, it will call the assistant or raise. Now it's raising the volume. So the right one is raising the volume, the left one will lower it, as you can see right here. With one tap, just pause the video. So basically these are a better version of what we unboxed before. These works really good and they sound good, are not that expensive. These are cheap earphones, so you can use them in everyday basic. So now that we are done with our test, just hold them and now they are off. So guys, this was all for today's video in unboxing the new earphones i11. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.